And then you're gonna go through the movie to go through. Oh, it's video?
Shalom.
It's so shocking, Savannah.
Who's directing?
I know, I love it.
Not on Katie's camera.
Not on my camera.
See, I'm gonna look at yours and see if mine's one down. Because that's what I was thinking. I know, I'm like, hopefully mine looks as good as that.
I love poached eggs.
Me too. I love all eggs.
Me too. Poached eggs are like the best.
I thought so too. I'm in the front seat.
You just didn't know where we were going.
Oh, and so we were under the museum in this like narrow tunnel, and then it just ended, and we're just like,
It's just like 10 minutes over.
Is this it?
I mean, like, are you trying to kill us?
He was really nice though.
Yes, you guys, this is my happy place. Megan, explain this art to me.
We like to call this trash or treat.
Oh.
Incubus meets. I got Incubus, right? Who's the band?
No.
Who's the band?
You're gonna do
Green
it?
Day?
No.
Nope, try
You're
again.
getting there.
What does it start with?
The guy died.
Yeah, it starts with an N. Nirvana, she told me.
Nirvana meets Harry Potter.
Ah.
This is the Hogwarts Express to life. Okay, this is where I'm at with this.
Tell me.
This takes talent.
It does.
I don't understand it. Lots of talent. But I'm like, how do we get to that then? Michael Jackson.
I feel like these people think that we're totally abusing the art.
Might be. It might be.
Yeah, I think actually might be, yeah.
We can do whatever we want.
I know, but you get like kind of close. Like I just brushed against the side of the table, and she's like, no.
Look, there's a nipple on that one.
Now that is art because it's a painting. It was like a photo. It's beautiful.
This man is like staring into my soul.
Look at the intricacies. It's beautiful.
Tell me, where is your rupture?
Right here.
That one? Okay. You would know. These are things that you know. You're a doctor.
Anatomy.
Which is the most painful rupture? The most painful.
Which would require the most PT to rehabilitate from?
Which one would kill you? Which one is outpatient?
That would be a bad rupture.
play games. And
Oh gosh, that's even worse.
I really don't do that. I just try to like text like, I'm on my way, gonna be late.
I try to wait until I'm at a stoplight, at least.
Kayla, it just takes 1 second.
You should wait till you're at the stoplight.
You open the door so I can push her out of the car. Sorry.
And I know I let you down. Too late to say something now.
This is Justin Bieber's inspiration for that song.